Today I'm going to show you how to make this Easter wreath for your door. I made it using 16 styrofoam eggs, a wooden rabbit I bought at the dollar store, and some fabric flowers. So to have 16 eggs, I had 3 yellow checkered, 2 solid yellow, 3 pink checkered, 2 solid pink, 4 blue checkered, and 2 solid blue. I only painted the front half of the egg since it was the only side that was visible. Usually my technique in most of my projects is to keep things and my lines really neat, but on these eggs, I felt like it didn't matter as much. So to help me dry my eggs and let them stand up and not roll around, I had a board and I nailed nails through them that were long enough that they would actually stick out the other side. So whenever I was done painting the one side, I just stuck it on the board and let it dry because I dropped them often. Okay, so another great tip that I have for you is that I tried E6000 glue in the beginning and it literally ate through the styrofoam like melted acid rain. So the hot glue gun actually worked perfectly when I thought it would be the latter. So there's my tip. You also want to be careful of your placement of your hot glue because you kind of want to put it at the bottom where it starts to round. Lastly, I put a little extra glue between each one to make sure it was secure. Then I was ready to hot glue my bunny on, and I just kind of moved it around until I found the perfect spot. Okay, last, I hot glued these little fabric flowers on in different kind of shades of pastels, and it was perfect. I got this entire box, I'm not kidding, of fabric flowers for like $2 from AliExpress, which I buy a lot of my stuff from. Not promoting them, and I don't get paid to do it, but it's a pretty good deal.